All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to try to tackle number 26 practice problem here. I'm not going to give you another one till the next video because this one here is quite challenging, and in some ways, I'm not sure how they expect you to figure this out by hand. It wouldn't be too hard with a calculator. Okay, but a rectangle has a length, a diagonal length of 20. What does that mean? Well, if I have a rectangle, a diagonal length would be if you cut it diagonally. So let's say that's 20 inches. It says I meant to say, and the length is 3 times as long as it is wide. So let's say the width is W, and the length is going to be 3 times that. So what is the area of the rectangle? Well, in order to do this, we need to know what the length and width are. Well, we've made it a triangle with that diagonal length. And it's more specifically a right triangle. So if you remember the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c squared is the longest side across from the right angle. Well, we know that's 20, so 20 squared here. Let's call, we'll say w is w squared. Now the length is going to be 3w, so 3w, and then we'll square, whoops. Put that in parentheses and square it. All right, so let's clean this up a little bit. 20 squared is 400, because 220 times 20 is 400. Bring down our w squared. 3w times 3w would be 9w squared. Okay, so w squared plus 9w squared is just 10w squared equals 400. We can get rid of that 10, which is being multiplied by the w by dividing it. So w squared equals 400 divided by 10 would be 40. So now we got to take the square root of 40. Well, it's not a perfect square. So let's see, 6 times 6 would be 36. 7 times 7 is 49, so it's going to be 6 point something. Okay, so let's try 6.1 times 6.1 to see if we're getting anywhere close. 1, 6, 0, 6, 36, 1, 12, 37.21. Okay, so we still got a ways to go. Let's try 6.2 times 6.2. 4, 12, wait, 4, 12, why did I carry that? Just 12. 0, 12, 36, 37, 38.44. Okay, so we still got to go a little bit more. So 6.3 times 6.3, 9, 18, 0, 18, 37, 9, 16, 9. Okay, 39.69. So I'm thinking we are really close to 6.2. Wonder if we should try 6.3. No, I mean 6.3. We're really close to 6.3. Should we try 6.4? Let's do that. 16, 24, 25, 0, 24, 38, 6, 9, 40.96. Okay, so I think we are right in between there. So instead of 6.3, 6.4, how about we go halfway in between and estimate 6.35? So let's go with 6.35 as our W. So that would make this side 6.35. Now this side has to be 3 times that. So let's go 6.35 times 3, 15, 9, 10, 18, 19. It's 19.05 for this side. Now, we're almost there. It wants us to find the area, and it wants us to find the nearest whole number. I didn't write that, but the nearest whole number. So let's take an area's length times width of a rectangle. So let's take our 19.05 times 6.35. It's going to be a long problem, but we'll get there. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 0 is 0. Plus 2 is 2. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. 0 placeholder. Now 3 times everything. 15. Carry the 1. 0 times 3 plus the 1. 27. 3, 4, 5. Now we need 2 placeholders. 6 times 5 is 30. I put the 3 there because we're going to multiply 6 times 0 to get 0. We had our 3 that we carried. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 1 is 6 plus the 5 is 11. 5, 7, 6, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 3 is 19. 10, 1, 2. We have 4 to the right, so we need 4 to the right, so 120.9. So the area is going to be 121. Whew, there's a lot going on in that. That's why I didn't want to add another one. I just wanted to give you this video to focus on that. So try it, go back over it, and you never know. If you see one similar to that, you just change the numbers. All right. Thank you, guys.